Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I just want to share a few of my finishes for the Wings and Things event. So this event is being hosted by Eileen over on the Diamond Paint with Friends and is going on throughout all of this month. I am working on a fairy project from Craft Buddy, which I'll be sharing with you next week. But I've also worked on some smaller projects along the way just to break things up a bit and also to get rid of some things from my stash that had been kicking around for a while. So I wanted to share those with you today. Where you will have already seen unboxings of these items, I will make sure to link them up in the eye, so you'll be able to go back and check out the unboxing. And where I've got codes for these companies, they will all be down in the description as always. So starting off with something that you'll have seen very recently, the Fansells wall hanging, the welcome sign. I've only done one of the little magnets for this so far, but I thought I'm going to work on this sort of ongoing throughout the year, and just as I come to need one of the little magnets, I'm going to work on them. So this is going to be an ongoing project, but I do love the way this has turned out. It is super sparkly and yeah, really fun little project. Didn't take very long and very enjoyable. So yeah, for this one I will definitely link the unboxing, although those of you that watch my channel regularly will have already seen this because it was only last week. So there's that one. Okay, staying with Fansells, I completed this adorable little painting, listed as a 30 by 30, so it's roughly a 25 by 25. I am so pleased with how this came out. It is really, really nice. The only change that I made to it is the background is in white, and there's also a little bit of white in each of the magpies. So the white that was within the magpies I swapped out for an AB. There's only a very little bit of it in there anyway, but I just felt that it added something. And in fact, thinking about it now, I wish that I'd added some black ABs into the black as well, just because magpies do have that kind of slight iridescence to their feathers. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how this came out. For a teeny tiny one, it is super sparkly, and I think that the rendering is really good. So this one, $2.99. For a budget painting, you really can't go wrong. And then I've used my Bailey J washi around the edge, which I think just matches really nicely with the flowers in the painting. So pleased with that one. So those are my little Fansells finishes. Moving on to GBFKE, I did the acrylic butterfly. I'm just going to turn that over there for a second, just so you can see this a little bit clearer. So this is a single-sided acrylic table decoration. You could use this anywhere you wanted to, really. I've had it stood on my desk, and I actually think it would look great with some fairy lights piled behind it. But yeah, this was very fun to do. I will say it was missing, I was 3 of these the marquee shaped ones, 3 of these short. But luckily I did happen to have some left over from a previous project, so it didn't matter too much. But obviously if you are new to diamond painting, stuff like that can be a little bit frustrating. But I'm really pleased with how it came out. I think it looks great. Yeah, hopefully you like it too. So that was €8, that one. When it comes, just to remember that the acrylic will have a backing paper that you have to tear off to make sure that it's clear, otherwise it looks like a milky white colour. And final small project for this month, came from ARTDOT, and it was this special owl painting, which I had great fun working on. It has got such a lot of sparkle. The camera's really not doing it justice, but in sunlight it sparkles like you would not believe. There are so many teeny tiny little crystals all throughout this, and then these bigger statement crystals, not to mention this massive beak. So really lovely. This one was £5 from ARTDOT, and yeah, I'm really pleased with how it came out. Really pleased. So just a super quick update really for this one, letting you know everything that I have got up to so far this month. Enjoying all of the wings and things, finishes and progress updates. It has been a brilliant event to take part in, and certainly if you have an opportunity to take part in any of the events organised by Diamond Paint with Friends, I would highly recommend it. So do go check out their Facebook group, check out Eileen's channel. I will link them all down below. Okay, so that is all from me for this week. Prices and details where I've got them will be in the description below. Please do remember, if you enjoy my content, leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. And until next time, stay crafty!